Jada, what do you have in your mouth? Jada.
Pearl. You open it! You open it! Harley, you open it!
Harley, did you? There it goes. Move it.
She likes it. That was my idea.
Move, Haley.
And she does not get out. Let me turn her.
Shut up, look! Shut up!
Look how awful doing this.
Cody, we took a vote. I vote you out. You are voted out.
Scales on them to work on the dog's mouth while he or she chews. Some dental toys are in fact fully consumable.
Here, take a picture of it.
I'm taking a video.
Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. That's a good Kit Kat.
Zoom in just a little bit more. See if I can see him somewhere. Oh, I guess I'm right about where I am. This is just cracking me up. This is.
Josie, do you want out? Get out. Come on out. Come on out.
Mommy wants you out.
Chickens are eating. Rizzy and this chicken are having a standoff. Rizzy!
And he's trying to find a teat to suck on. Don't put me in the video though.
Get her, wait, get her. Stop. Get it, Jeannie, get out of the way.
Jingle bells, jingle
Mama
bells,
SpongeBob.
jingle. Hey, Spot.
Yeah, see, I ain't doing that.
He messed up the
pressing back.
spot.
Do that again.
it's ticklish, but
Oh God.
here we go.
I don't do
Laughing
horses.
again.
I don't do horses.
Damage to the wing of one of the planes, as well as to
Just let it go. Let it go a second.
airport. There's no word as of yet how this all happened. Tibet mass overdose tonight in New Haven, Connecticut. Authorities now reporting more than 40 overdoses and counting just today alone, many in the same city park. They believe the overdoses are linked to synthetic.
Her husband isn't berating her every day like.
It's like, oh, you don't have. That's your butt.
God, I don't care if the world watches.